Ensto Scrapping the insulation screen. Easy instructions for cable preparation, removing the traces from the insulation and smoothing the surface. Tower utility knife from Gamma Electronics. Tired of using a box cutter? This tower utility knife helps eliminate the issues with using conventional blades to remove cold shrink tubing from cables. The tower cable knife's unique two-blade design protects the cable, reduces the risk of being cut, all while making it faster and easier to remove the cold shrink tubing from the cable. Greenlee overhead remote cutter. The newest in the line of Greenlee's battery-operated hydraulic tools, the Greenlee inline remote cutter with a 336 ISCR capacity is versatile, allowing for manual overhead cutting as well as remote overhead cutting. Use Bluetooth pairing to connect to the BC3 remote control for safe and secure remote cutting. TOLSEN automatic wire stripper and cutter. Wire strippers are very convenient and handy when preparing wire to be inserted into connectors or any live electrical current. This all-in-one TOLSEN wire stripper is equipped with sharp cutting blades and with self-adjusting mechanism, so stripping wire and cutting through shielding has never been so quick and efficient. ALROC low-voltage tool Gedore. The Gedore 1 tool has been developed with the aim of offering a solution that automatically adapts to the majority of cables encountered on LV construction sites. It automatically adapts to all cable diameters from 6 to 21 mm without adjustment. It automatically adapts to all sheath thicknesses from 0.8 to 2.5 mm 30 on and 31 to 98 and 98 and without adjustment of cutting depth. Easy and quick adjustment of the stripping length. The tool can be motorized with a simple screwdriver. Klein Tools Foam Wire Pulling Lubricant. Klein Tools Foam Wire Pulling Lubricant is a no-mess, no-hassle alternative to traditional wax gel lubricants. The foam fills the conduit and coats the wires as they are pulled through. The lubricant stays where it is applied, even in vertical conduit. It also dissolves cleanly on hands, clothing, and carpeting. Provides 4 times greater yield than gel or wax lubricants. No mess formula allows easy cleaning from hands and fabric. It comes with a dispensing tube for easy application. Gedore wire rope cutter. At last, the fanning out, or separation, of the ends of wire ropes when cutting them is a thing of the past. That's because, thanks to its clever shearing cut technique, our wire rope cutter 8320-200JL with cutting plates cuts wire ropes safely and quickly. Little effort is required to operate the innovative construction with the exchangeable plates, which is ideal for wire up to 750 newtons per millimeter to and wire ropes to 1800 newton per square. NOFIRNO AQUASTOP Cable Duct Seal Single Cable. The NOFIRNO duct seal system is the proven choice for watertight and gas-tight protection for cable ducts, manhole entries, duct bank entries, and similar applications where cables exit ducts or core drill holes. This system is used extensively in the utility industries worldwide to protect critical applications in substations and other areas where fire, water, and gas ingress must be prevented. Use as a better alternative for inflatable bags, foams, and other duct sealing materials that often fail shortly after installation. U-Phase Wire Marker. Save time and money with the U-Phase by U-Mark. The U-Phase has 10 times more mileage than vinyl tape, at a 20% lower cost. Marks up to 6 IWG wire quickly and efficiently with highly visible, quick drying paint. Resists abrasion, moisture, dirt, oil, and UV light, and adheres to clean sheath permanently. Perfect for phasing of electrical panels, color coding, identifying and wiring circuits, marking computer and telephone cables, automotive wires, etc. Roxtec Pre-Compression Eccentric Tool. Roxtec pre-compression tools simplify the installation of sealing modules and compression units. They can pre-compress the contents of the frame, making room for the compression unit, and also hold the packing material in place during short breaks in the installation work. The pre-compression tool SL is used when pre-compression force is needed early in the installation. It has a long stroke and can be used in incomplete installations when the installation will be partially installed over a longer period of time. The eccentric tools in lightweight aluminum are designed to fit standard 3/8 square drives. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.